What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So, if you have followed the channel for a long time, we have done a lot of tablet reviews, comparisons, and all that. But one that we've kind of neglected for a long time is this baby here, the Amazon Fire HD10, and this is the latest generation of what they offer. This video is in no way sponsored. I wanted to go ahead and unbox this for you and give you a look at the 2023 variant of the Fire tablet. This has a better screen resolution, hence the HD name, and a couple of upgraded specs from the years prior. Obviously, they release one every year. This is the 13th generation one, which is pretty crazy. That's how long they've been doing it. We know its shortcomings. It runs a skin over Android. The App Store is not as robust as a lot of people would like it to be, but it has matured in its time. They're on sale for Prime Day and even early Prime Day deals. So I want to show you guys this. Comes in 3 colorways. And you guys let us know, is this something worth it? Let's jump into it. So as you saw in that introduction, here is the packaging. This is the bare bones, least expensive offering. It comes with 32 gigabytes of storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM and ads on the lock screen. You can pay about $15 extra to have no ads. Whether you want to do it at time of purchase or later, it is an option for you. And like I said, there's 3 different color patterns you can go with. Black, blue, and I think there's like a purplish lilac or something of that nature. The biggest downfall of these tablets, speed is not the name of the game for it. There's only 3 gigs of RAM and it runs a very basic MediaTek processor, but somehow they do have a front-facing and rear-facing camera on these things. This is the 10-inch variant. There's obviously a 7 and the newer 11. They do preach about 13 hours of battery life. Take that for what you want. We'll put that to the test as well. Again, that MediaTek octa-core processor we talked about, and that full HD 1080p display. Plenty of bezels for days to go around. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this baby up and show you guys what's in the box. There is a little pull tab right here, and all you're going to want to do is flip this out. And right off the bat, you can see it's eco-friendly packaging. I do like this blue colorway. We'll set that down to the side for 1 second. And it looks like here is going to be your charging cable and adapter and reading material. There's our cable. And I will say at least Amazon does include a wall charger in the box. Looking at you, Amazon, or Apple, Samsung. How hard is it to include one of these? It is going to be a slower charger, so keep that in mind. It might take quite a bit of time to get up and running. Little step-by-step instructions, reading material here. Yeah, nothing out of control or out of the ordinary. Let's pluck that to the side. USB-C cable, which is good to see at this point, to a USB-A cable. And then let's set all this over here and take a look at the star of the show, the Fire HD 10. And all right, I have to say, actually, I do like this soft plastic matte blue colorway. It's not going to show fingerprints all too well. And then you have your landscape facing camera, power button on the side, volume rocker. You do have your USB-C charging port here and a headphone adapter, which is definitely nice. So nothing on the left side. On the bottom, you do have, if you can believe it, an expandable micro SD card slot. So even though we said this baby comes with only 32 gigabytes, there's a 64 gigabyte variant, but if you don't want that, you can simply expand your memory as you see fit right here. So nothing else. You have your dual facing speakers on the top here on the left and right side, but that's it. It does feel cheap in hand right off the bat, but again, budget tablet, kind of expect just that. So let's get this fired up and we'll jump around it. Again, it is a skinned Android interface, so we'll see what it looks like. I will say right now, firing up, no pun intended, it looks okay. Definitely not, you can definitely see a couple pixels probably, but it's not terrible at all. So all right, let's get this set up. We'll be right back. So as you can see, we are at the home screen, and yeah, it looks very comparable. It is an Android tablet like we said in general. You can scroll down, get all of your notifications here as you need, or your quick toggles. And you can see once your brightness is all the way up, it actually gets decently bright. It is somewhat bright in this room right now currently, and I can see everything, decently. If you want to pivot it, it does obviously change landscape and orientation. Your settings are all right here, as you would traditionally assume. It does give you a For You toggle on the left-hand side. A lot of it is sponsored stuff, ads, so to speak, to popular apps, free games, top subscriptions. There's a lot here if this is what you're looking for. I think a lot of people are going to want to use this as a multimedia tablet more than a productivity tablet. And based off the 3 gigs of RAM, like I said, and the actual lack of a lot of storage built in, I think this is going to be the way that a lot of people are going to utilize this. So as you can see, that is the main layout here. If you want apps, you can go to that Fire App Store like we said. And it is, like I said, pretty loaded with good products. If you want now, it is just still not as good as the Google App Store. You can see a slight delay opening things just due to that chip here. Let's look for Minecraft. So as you can see, it has Minecraft and a lot of popular apps and games you might want to play here. So you can do that. Go back again, but you can still download whatever you want. Like say you want Netflix. Let's go ahead and just download that. And it moves decently quick. Let's download YouTube. Unable to process your order. So you can see inconsistencies already. It could be because one is downloading, but again, multiple downloads should not be an issue. Either way, we will go ahead and do our deep dive and review here shortly. I just wanted to give you somewhat of a first look, and you can see a little glitchiness. There's definitely a slight delay in this tablet. Plenty of bezels, like we said. It's not bad because you have a place to rest your fingers, but again, keep in mind it is not small either. So yeah, stay tuned to the channel, guys. We'll do a full review. That was just a quick look. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.